Kia Soul, low tire pressure indicator light. When the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, warning light comes on, it means one or more tires are significantly underinflated. If the light illuminates, reduce your speed immediately, avoid sharp turns, and prepare for longer stopping distances. Stop as soon as possible and check your tire pressures. Inflate the tires to the recommended pressure listed on the vehicle's placard or tire inflation label, usually found on the driver's side door frame. If you cannot access a service station or the tire cannot maintain the proper air pressure, replace it with the spare tire. After restarting the vehicle and driving continuously for about 20 minutes at speeds above 15.5 miles per hour, 25 km per hour, the warning light may flash for 1 minute and then stay illuminated. This indicates that the low-pressure tire still needs repair or replacement. Caution! In cold weather, the low tire pressure warning light may activate if the tires were inflated to the recommended pressure during warmer conditions. This is not a TPMS malfunction but a result of colder temperatures causing tire pressure to drop proportionally. When transitioning between warm and cold climates, or during significant temperature shifts, it's important to check and adjust tire pressures to the recommended level. Driving with significantly underinflated tires compromises vehicle stability, increases braking distances, and raises the risk of losing control. Prolonged use of low-pressure tires can lead to overheating and tire failure. Regularly monitor tire pressures, especially in fluctuating temperatures, to ensure safety and optimal performance. TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System, Malfunction Indicator. The TPMS malfunction light will illuminate after blinking for about 1 minute if there is an issue with the tire pressure monitoring system. Have the system inspected to identify and resolve the problem. The indicator may also blink for approximately 1 minute and then remain illuminated when the vehicle is near strong electromagnetic interference sources. These include areas with electric power supply cables, radio transmitters, or facilities such as police stations, broadcasting stations, military sites, airports, or communication towers. Such interference can disrupt the normal function of the TPMS. Additionally, the TPMS malfunction indicator might behave similarly when using snow chains or certain electronic devices inside the vehicle, such as a laptop, mobile charger, remote starter, or navigation system. These devices can interfere with the TPMS operation. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.